from Off Leash Canine Training. Today we have Goose. She is a 5-month-old golden doodle. She is eventually going to be a service dog, so she knows a lot already. Owner complaints, she does chew on this leash, as you can see. She does a little bit jumping, and we're going to work on distraction proofing for her, as well as getting her off leash and having her come when she's cold. All right, sweetheart, let's see what you know. Goose, come. Come. No, all right. Sit. Good girl. Down. Nope. Please. Nope. All right, we'll check back with us in 2 weeks. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.